All right, 18 days custody has been granted. The big breaking news right here first on Republic TV. 18 days custody has been granted of Tahaboor Rana to the NI court. Break this, please. This is the big breaking news right here first on Republic TV. The judge has given 18-day custody of Tahaboor Rana. Broken right here first on Republic TV. All right, viewers, Tahaboor Rana's 18-day custody given to the NI. What's going to happen right now? First, we're going to see very soon and very quick movement right from the Patiala House Court to the NI headquarters where Tahaboor Rana is going to be taken. That's the reason why there was fast-paced development behind Meenakshi guys. We're going to get all our reporters right here on the channel. We're also going to get Gopi, Soumya on the channel, who are also possibly going to be following that cavalcade that's going to be going to the NI headquarters. The big breaking news coming in right now. Tahaboor Rana's 18-day custodial interrogation has been given to the NI. Breaking right here first.
In fact, there is also a statement that has been issued by the National Investigation Agency. I'm just reading this out. This is the latest coming in. They say that they've taken custody of the 2611 mastermind Tahaboor Rana following the special court's order. I'm just seeing if they've put out some details. Yes, they are saying that Rana will remain in NI custody for 18 days, during which the agency will question him in detail in order to unravel the complete conspiracy behind the deadly 2008 attack. So there is a confirmation, official word now coming in, NIA confirming that 18 days custody has been granted. So let's also put out, this is an official statement coming in from the NIA.
In fact, if we can also get our reporters online, breaking right here on Republic TV, 18-day custody. Shravan has told us the NI statement has quickly been released. I think it's fantastic, Akhil, as I come across to you. Very soon you're going to be very busy because the security is going to be reaching the NI headquarters where Tahaboor Rana's cavalcade moves. Akhil, the NI has been brilliant. I think right from the airport to the statements they are putting out, to the pictures that we got of Tahaboor Rana, to then them moving towards the court. The application papers were all ready. The judges pronounced this verdict. It's 18 days of Tahaboor Rana's custody. Now they are moving towards the headquarters. I can already see around you there is some movement happening. Take us through what's happening. And this press release that was almost ready, they knew they just had to put in that number. In a day of fast-paced developments, then I says they have 18 days of Tahaboor Rana's custody.